Hello and welcome to Bridge Commercials. This is one of our latest arrivals. This is a 2019 and it's a Mercedes Sprinter. It's the 316 and it's the medium wheelbase high roof, and this particular one has got the 7,000 kilogram train, making it a very unusual vehicle, very rare. Let me show you inside. So this particular one, you've got 3 seats, you have electric windows, 6-speed gearbox, you have Bluetooth for your phone, multi-function steering wheel, and as you can see there, 65,000 miles. This particular one also has the rear camera, which is the factory fit option, and absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you. Around it, as you can see, the vehicle has been fully serviced by ourselves and fully valeted. It has Towbar and rear chevrons, and the vehicle has been fully ply lined, as you can see. Go. And just as we move down, side loading door. Mercedes, obviously you get full height in the side door, and passenger side there, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. So just to recap, 2019, and it's a Mercedes-Benz 316 medium wheelbase high roof, and it has the 7,000 kilogram train. If this vehicle is of any interest to you, or anything you may see in the background, please do not hesitate to contact myself, Brian, or Patrick on 02892 689 000, or through the website bridgecommercials.co.uk or Facebook. Thank you for watching.